Universal Orlando recently announced its summer offerings, and one offering that really stands out is CineSational, a Symphonic Spectacular, which is a new Lagoon show for summer 2024, but this stands out for a reason you're not thinking about. Yes, a summer show is always good, and the last Lagoon show was Universal Orlando's Cinematic Celebration, which hasn't been active in over a year. However, with the Summer Lagoon show, there's typically a Halloween Horror Nights counterpart. Before we get into that, what is CineSational, a Symphonic Spectacular? As right now, the only information we have is this logo, this artist's conceptual rendering, and a short blurb that states, quote, "Thrilled to a cinematic journey with stirring soundtracks evoking the mystery and magic of Harry Potter, the pulse-pounding thrills of Jurassic World, and the gripping suspense of Jaws on select nights." End quote, Universal Orlando Resort. Prior to Halloween Horror Nights 2018, there has only been two shows located at the Studio Lagoon: Crypt Keeper's Revenge: The Nights of Hell in 1995, and Sweet 16: The Director's Cut in 2006 for Halloween Horror Nights Sweet 16 event. Fast forward to 2019, a year and 2 months after the first showing of Universal Orlando's Cinematic Celebration, a Lagoon show returned to Halloween Horror Nights titled Halloween Marathon of Mayhem. A Halloween Horror Nights Lagoon show would follow suit every year the Universal Orlando Cinematic Celebration show was active. Halloween Horror Nights 2021 with Marathon of Mayhem Carnage Factory, and in Halloween Horror Nights 2022 with Ghoulish: A Halloween Tale. The following spring, Universal ended Cinematic Celebration unexpectedly to make way for a new show that we now know is CineSational. In 2023, Halloween Horror Nights also did not have a Lagoon show. This is not a rumor rather than a speculation, but I do think we may see a new Lagoon show for this year's Halloween Horror Nights, judging based on past event years. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to actually return with consistent long-form content as I plan to no longer make short-form content regularly. Next video should be a deep dive in a past Halloween Horror Nights house. If that sounds interesting, please subscribe.